If you want to make your X, formerly Twitter, account private, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your X.com account to private, so only approved followers can see your posts. This is a great way to control your audience, protect your content, and keep your timeline more secure and personal. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. All right, let's get started. First, open X.com and log into the account you want to make private. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see several options there, and the one you need to click is More. This opens up additional settings and account options. After clicking More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all the important account, privacy, and security controls. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy and Safety. This section is designed to help you manage who can see your activity, how your posts appear, and what kind of interactions you allow on your account. Inside Privacy and Safety, choose Audience and Tagging. This is the area that controls who can view and interact with your posts. Here, you'll see an option called Protect Your Posts. Go ahead and check that box. By enabling this setting, you're making your account private, which means only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts and engage with your content. Once you select Protect Your Posts, X may ask you to confirm the change. If that happens, simply confirm it. That final confirmation locks in the setting and makes sure your account privacy change is applied correctly. And that's it. Your X account is now private. From this point forward, new followers may need your approval before they can see your posts, depending on your current settings. This is a simple but powerful way to take control of your online privacy. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.